Naay afam ari mga my loves. Gikan ko nun niya siya Amerika. Nagpakuan siya ani mga bata, nagpalubong.
No. Easy. Please, lubong-lubong me. Can you please put me in the sun? Yeah.
Basa na biya ko dyan. Dili, raloy. Kaya basa na biya ko dyan.
Halag ilong ni mo noy. Dagan kay kugmo.
It's okay, but it's okay.
Napunog kugmo imong ilong.
It's okay. I'm from Canada. It's okay.
May kalagin ang kugmo ni gawas.
It's okay.
It's okay lagi ang kugmo.
Please, do it. Lubong me, lubong.
Nangina rami.
I'll give you money. Okay, please, lubong me.
Make kwarta.
Huh? It's very beautiful in the Philippines and in the Babaon Island. I love Babaon Island. It's more fun in Babaon Island. It's a very beautiful chicks.
Nay, kuwasa na na imong antipara kay naputi man imong nawong.
Huh? I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry. Don't put coconut leaves. Ano ba? Hey, put my hands in. Ano? Lubong.
Black American.
Nigeria, maliho.
Ha?
Wait, work. I will jingle. I will jingle.
Gikapoy ako.
Ikapoy ka og.
Kinalot.
Nangihi pang Amerikano.
Laga Bisaya. Di ba na Amerikano? Bisaya man na.
Hey, my friend.
How old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
Yoko.
I have diabetes. I don't want to drink that.
Hitag sa UTI. Mami. Dulawa kaya na oy.
Ray. Hey, Joe. Where are you from? Yes, mata. Okay. Put sand in my
Nawala ang Amerikano.
Nigeria ako. Itap na siya to. Taga Nigeria maguna guys. Smile.
Kita magbao guys, bao. My loves, I'm sorry, but my egg is very big. Oh, here. My egg is very big. What can I do?